One of the problems with cyclocross training this time of year is bottles. You want to head out and do your drills and skills. It's a little bit warmer and you have no cage in your bike. You put a cage on like this, then you're limited to, when you're doing your running, you don't have the full triangle available to your frame. You don't take a bottle cage, you put the bottle in your back pocket and just gets in the way again. So Bontrager have come up with this neat wee idea, which is a quick release bottle cage. This mechanism fits on under a normal cage, leaves two studs in the frame, and it pops off just like this. These two studs then leave your full triangle available for running, shouldering the bike. To reinstall, just put it on reverse, goes on, twist, locked in, bottom one, twist, locked in. They sell for $13.99. If you want one, get in touch. Thanks.